Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sarah. Today I'll be showing you how to make a s'mores frappuccino from Starbucks. And the ingredients you will need is whipped cream for a garnish, 1 cup of ice, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream, graham cracker crumbs for garnish, fluff, 3/4 cups of chilled coffee, chocolate sauce, s'mores syrup, and your Starbucks cup, and 1/2 cup of milk. So I'm going to put in the wet ingredients first. So you put in the milk first. And 2 tablespoons of the s'mores syrup. You can buy it from Amazon, you can buy it from Walmart, you can buy it from any store. So I'm going to pour that in. And then your coffee, I'm going to put in your chilled coffee. And then ice cream. I'm going to get a spoon. Put that in. Your fluff, I'm going to put in a spoonful of the fluff. It'd be kind of a little sticky. So I'm going to take another spoon and just do it like that. Try to put it in how much you can. Okay, that'll be good. And then your 1/2 cup of ice. And then a little bit of chocolate sauce. And then I'm going to put it in the blender on the smoothie setting. If you have the smoothie setting, you can put it on the pulse setting for like 30 seconds or a minute. So I'll be right back after I blend it. When you're done blending, you will have this thick s'mores frappuccino. And then before you put it in the cup, you put some whipped cream on the bottom of it. You just put some whipped cream on the bottom. And then you put some chocolate sauce on the cup too. And then you pour in the frappuccino. It'll be all kind of messy, so I'm gonna pour in slowly. Leave enough room to put the whip on it. And look at that though. That looks so good. And then after it's done, it'll be a little bit of shake. And then it has some whip on it. And then chocolate sauce, optional. And then take some graham cracker crumbs and put that on it too. It's kind of a little messy, but. And then, yeah, there you have it, a s'mores frappuccino. And then you just take a straw and you taste it. Man, that was really good. So if you like this video, take a big thumbs up, subscribe below, and hit that notification bell button for my future videos. I hope everyone have a good day and stay positive. Bye!